What's going on, guys? It's me, Linsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And in this video, I want to share with you how you can make $500 per day on the internet if you have no money. Now, what this does require from you guys, and make sure, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel underneath this video. Go ahead, subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and like this video, and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this on YouTube. So, back to what I was saying. Now, what this does require for you to earn $500 per day online is that you have to learn some skills. So if you have been searching on the internet for quite some time now, you have been trying a few things, whatever else, and you may have failed at them, that doesn't necessarily mean that you cannot make money online. Now, when you are trying some of these things, let's say for example, for the sake of this video, we're going to talk about Shopify and e-commerce, right? So it's a lot of people who have reached out to me who need help with Shopify, who have problems with this, who struggle to get their first sale with Shopify or whatever else. Well, you know what? Just because you didn't get, have made buku money with Shopify doesn't mean that you cannot make money in that space. So if you have tried to set up a store and you know how to design a store very well, you know what? You can go ahead and sell that particular skill in order to earn income. Because there's a lot of people out here, especially if you go onto Facebook and you join a lot of these e-commerce groups, where there's a lot of e-commerce groups on Facebook. And a lot of these groups have anywhere from 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 members inside of these groups. And one of the cases is some people are just not really good at designing a store. They just don't have that eye for design, right? Or even with people who, they still work a full-time job. It's hard for them to take time to build up a store, or some people who are just really like the perfectionist type. And I used to be that type of person, right? The real perfectionist type. You want to make sure everything is completed, every I is dotted, every T is crossed, and everything else before you release something. We have people like that too as well. So they're looking for people to help them, with their Shopify store, with the design of their store, also with product research. So think about all these skills that you can actually offer to other people. Okay, so again, you can join some of these groups. You can even do a YouTube channel, something like that, and talk about like your services. Talk about the things that you're good at. Talk about, with like a Shopify store, like this, these are some of the things that you need to have inside of your store in order for your store to perform well, to get or to look good or something like that. Talk about your services so that way people know that you're in business, and then people will start to reach out to you for your services. Now, in the beginning, if your designs aren't that great, I wouldn't charge $500 right off the bat. But you can definitely do some stores for maybe like $100 or something like that, to the point where you are getting really good at your designs, even with product research. You're probably really, really good at product research and trying to have an eye for what could be considered a winning product. Maybe you have watched a few of my videos on YouTube, and now you know how to actually search for products. Maybe it's just that you're just not really good at Facebook ads. And that's fine, because there's a lot of people who are not really good at Facebook ads. So again, you can offer that service. You can offer a store that already has research products inside of that store, maybe like 10 to 20 products. Or you can even just offer the service of doing product research for people and sending them a spreadsheet of the particular products and the vendors that they can find them on AliExpress. You can do that as well. We are talking about product research. When it comes to targeting, that's something else too. So like with Facebook ads, I'm pretty decent with Facebook ads, but I love the actual part of targeting. And that's something that's like a real big part of my Ecom Diamond course, and that's below this video as well, the Ecom Diamond 2.0 course, and it's low price right now just because I want people to get it in their hand and get familiar with Shopify and get their first sale. But even in there, like one of my favorite things to talk about is targeting, because I love the actual part of doing the research and trying to find really good interest to target inside of my ads. I really know how to break it down and find like those really, those hidden niches in order to use for my ads. So if you're if you're somebody like that as well, you can also offer that service. And again, this is all still in the e-commerce space. We're not even talking about like, if you know how to create a sales funnel, you know how to create a capture page and things like that. All of those type of things, those skills, you can sell to other people to help them to have success inside of their business. Just because you went and did Shopify, just because you went and built a network marketing company and you didn't have results, doesn't mean that you failed. In that time, you have learned a skill that you can be, like I said again, that can be really beneficial to somebody else inside of their business. So that's what you want to do. You want to go ahead and up your skills. If you don't have any skills right now, then you need to get some skills. right? You can't just come on to, online and just like, well, I need $500 today, and you're not trying to change the person who you are right now. Because if you could generate $500 based on what the information that you knew now, you wouldn't be watching this video, right? So that's what you need to do. You need to come on to YouTube University, watch some videos, up some skills, learn some knowledge, and then you want to sell those skills to other people. That is going to be one of the best ways that you're going to be able to earn $500 online. If you have no money in your back pocket or whatever else, you can always sell your skills. You can always sell your knowledge. That's going to be one of the best ways that you can do this, guys, okay? So if you guys have any questions about this video, make sure you comment below. Also, again, like this video, subscribe to this channel. Also, hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this on YouTube. And then also below this video, I'm going to put some free training to cheat sheet on how you can create a $48,000 per year side business, as well as my link to my Ecom Diamond course, 2.0 course. All that information is going to be in the description below this video. So underneath the video, you're going to see a little link that says show more. Click on show more, and you're going to see all the information, including the links to my social media, so that way you can connect with me on Facebook, Hellonis, Instagram, and all that stuff. Okay, guys? And until the next one.